The biggest myth you're told at 18, that a college degree guarantees a high-paying job. Spoiler alert, it doesn't. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing 7 awesome side hustles. You can start right now, whether you're a student or not. These ideas don't just help you earn cash, they can set you up for big future success. Let's dive in. Side hustle. Idea number 1, faceless short-form content creation. Meet Daniel Bitton. He's only 16 and making $500,000 a month creating short videos on Snapchat. And guess what? He doesn't even show his face. Social media platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Snapchat are desperate for creators. The secret? Use trending videos, add unique voiceovers or edits, and stay consistent. Daniel mastered this, built multiple channels, and now earns from ads like a pro. If you can hook your audience in 3 seconds, this side hustle could be for you. Side hustle. Idea number 2, investing. Investing is a game changer. I know what you're thinking. Isn't investing risky? It can be, but strategies like dollar cost averaging and index funds make it simpler. For example, investing $200 per month in an index fund over 40 years can grow into $1.2 million. Sure, it's a long game, but pairing investments with your side hustle income lets you multiply your wealth much faster. Side hustle idea number 3, Discord server building. Think Discord is just for gamers? Think again. Chris Peters, a 19-year-old, makes $15,000 a month building and managing Discord servers. Many businesses and communities want custom servers but don't know how to set them up. Chris started by offering free help, built his reputation, and now charges clients monthly retainers. If you enjoy tech and teamwork, this one's for you. Side hustle, idea number 4. Online coaching. Got a skill? Turn it into an online coaching business. Jack Jefferson left his 9-to-5 job when his fitness coaching side hustle hit $7,000 a month. The key? Personalization. Jack creates custom plans for his clients and checks in regularly to keep them on track. Online coaching isn't limited to fitness. You can teach anything: coding, art, even public speaking. Side hustle. Idea number 5, AI animation. AI is the future, and it's making millionaires. Animators earn $10,000 per month using AI tools like Midjourney and ChatGPT to create stunning animations for creators. AI tools are affordable right now, but the key is combining creativity with solid animation skills. Start early, and you'll stay ahead of the competition. Side hustle idea number 6, reselling luxury items. If you love fashion, turn it into a business like Ben Gallagher, who made £7.2 million reselling designer bags. Platforms like TikTok helped him grow his brand for free, while his expertise in spotting fakes made him trustworthy. The only challenge? You'll need initial cash to buy products, but starting small can get you there. Side hustle idea number 7, online writing. Last but not least, online writing. Adam earns over $10,000 a month writing blogs, copy, and even scripts for influencers. Good writing is always in demand because words sell. Master focus, learn to write engaging content, and you could charge clients premium rates, like $50,000 for a web page. Yes, it's possible. There you have it. 7 side hustles to start in 2025. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more ways to grow your wealth. See you in the next video.